Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the driver module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. While preparing the manual steps for driver module, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the driver module, a generic naming convention used by localized hardware utilities, like specialized mouse drivers or RGB controllers, to store their user mode hardware abstraction logic. It acts as the bridge between the high-level application UI and the low-level kernel driver. If missing, the hardware control software will launch but will report that no compatible hardware was detected, despite the device being physically connected. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Errors involving FireX3, Cooking 86 DLL typically suggest that the NVIDIA FireX files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the driver module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Replacing FireX3, Cooking 86 without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for driver module. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing driver module was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.